In this video, we're unboxing and installing the front lower control arms on this 2015 Ford Escape. Let's start by taking a look at what's included in the box. Removing the protective dust covers, right front lower control arm assembly, left front lower control arm assembly, tools required for the front lower control arms, removal and installation, a 1/2-inch electric impact wrench, a T30 socket with adapter for tight spaces, a 1/2-inch 18mm long socket, a 1/2-inch 13mm long socket, a 1/2-inch 19mm long socket, a 1/2-inch 10mm short socket, a 1/2-inch torque wrench, a 1/2-inch breaker bar, a pry bar, a 21mm wrench, a 1/2-inch ratcheting wrench, large flathead screwdriver, 1/2-inch extension. Using a floor jack to support the installation, lifting the vehicle. Using a 19mm socket with torque wrench to break loose the lug nuts. Removing the lug nuts with 19mm socket and electric impact. Removing the wheel assembly using 18mm socket with impact wrench to remove the lower control arm, ball joint bolt. Now starting the control arm installation, using T30 socket with adapter to remove the engine, undercover bolts. Engine undercover removed, switching to 10mm socket with impact wrench to remove load path rod to subframe bolt. Using 13mm socket to loosen the load path rod mounting bolt. Using 18mm socket with extension, access and loosen front control arm, bushing bolt, removing the front control arm, bushing bolt. Using 18mm socket with 21mm wrench to remove rear control arm, mounting bolt. Using pry bar to separate and remove old control arm. Old control arm completely removed, positioning the new control arm for installation, aligning new control arm into position. Using screwdriver for alignment assistance to guide bushing into front, axle mounting point. Installing front control arm, bushing bolt. Using screwdriver to maintain alignment during bolt installation. Using pry bar to align rear bushing for bolt installation. Starting the nut by hand. Second nut hand started, using 18mm socket with 21mm wrench to tighten rear control arm, bushing bolt. Rear control arm, bushing bolt secured. Torque wing to 140 Newton meters or 103 foot-pounds, using 18mm socket with 21mm wrench for final tightening of rear bushing bolt, installing lower control arm, ball joint. Using floor jack to raise control arm to proper height. Inserting ball joint, mounting bolt. Installing and hand tightening the nut. Using 18mm socket to tighten ball joint bolt. Torque to 90 Newton meters or 66 foot-pounds. Using 18mm socket with extension, tighten front control arm. Bushing bolt.
Torque to 160 Newton meters or 118 foot-pounds.
Using 18mm socket with extension for final torque on front, bushing bolt. Reinstalling the support bracket. Starting bracket mounting bolts. Using 10mm socket with impact to tighten bracket bolts. Using 13mm socket for additional bracket bolts. Reinstalling engine undercover. Using T30 socket with adapter to secure undercover mounting bolts. Lowering the vehicle to the ground, reinstalling the wheel assembly, Hand threading the lug nuts. Using 21 miller socket with impact wrench to snug down the lug nuts.
Using a 19 miller socket to tighten the lug nuts.
Then torque the lug nuts to 140 Newton meters or 103 foot-pounds.